Hey y'all, this is Big Black from Big Black Barbecue, and today I'm doing something interesting. I am going to make a spin on a Malaysian, Indonesian dish, depending on where you come from. It is called Ikan Bakar. Ikan meaning fish, bakar meaning grilled. I have a fish grilling mat here, if you can see as well. I'm sorry for the view. I had to maneuver everything. I got some peppers and onions right there, and of course I got the red snapper I'm going to show you in a bit. This is not to be confused with Ikan Salai, which is smoked fish. This is Ikan Bakar. I will post those representations in the description box below. But getting started here, I did some prep work already. And this is just a spin on it because a lot of stuff from Indonesia and Malaysia we cannot get. But you can find red snapper at your local Vietnamese market or Korean market. And you can also find banana leaf. What I have here is I have a actual grill fish set. And I have banana leaf. What I'm going to start first is I'm going to put down some chili samba. It's kind of a twist on sriracha a little bit, except for it has a little bit more vinegar. It is definitely spicy, but I'm going to go ahead and put some down. And we're just going to get enough to where we can get it covered a little, where we can cover one side of the fish. As you can see there, that is very spicy. And then I'm going to take some onions and bell pepper. If you can get stink beans, are actually a lot Malaysian vegetables, then by all means, but I can't get it here. I'm sorry, but I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of peppers and onions, bell pepper and onions. And the good thing about this dish is that we're actually still in Lent, and it is also vegan. Everything that you see here is vegan. There's, well, not vegan, I'm sorry, vegetarian. There's fish for Lent, peppers, and chili samba, which is more of vinegar and red chili powder, and a couple of other tomatoes and stuff like that. But sorry about the vegan thing. It's actually vegetarian if you eat fish. But for Lent, this is definitely a thing that you could do. It's very simple, very easy. You can buy most of the stuff at the store. You don't have to worry about anything being outside of trying to get red snapper. That is kind of hard to get right now. But as you see here, I got it all laid out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my snapper. You get a full snapper, fillets. It doesn't really matter. I got a full one. I've already put slits in it and everything, and it's already been gutted and scaled. So we're just gonna lay him down right here. As you see here, I have the slits. But this is about it. You're gonna put that down right there, and then we're gonna come back behind it with some more chili samba. And there is a lot of spins on Ikan Bakar. There's Cajun, there's Indonesian, there's Chinese, there's Australian. I've seen a lot of videos on different ones, but this is the one I'm doing. And don't be afraid to experiment. But you can actually cut the head off of this fish if you want to. You can use fillets. It doesn't really matter. But we're going to add some more peppers and stuff. Just like that. Then we're going to come behind it, fold in the little ends a little bit so nothing doesn't really leak out. And we're going to come behind it with some more banana leaf. Try and get it in as good as possible so nothing leaks out. Fold this in a little bit. On this side. This is basically what you want to do. This is very simple, very easy ingredients. It doesn't take that long to cook. We'll be cooking this at 400 degrees on the grill for about 15 to 20 minutes. The target temperature you want to reach for this is 145. But this is all you're really going to do. Let's see if I can't get this head here to fold. It's kind of hard. And we're going to close it as the best we can. It is a large fish, but that should hold it, especially when you slide this little thing here and get it nice and tight. But that's all you're going to do. And we're going to, like I said, we're going to put this on the grill at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And for the last 2 minutes, I'm going to open up the sear spot on the Pit Boss Lockhart. And I'm going to give it a nice little sear. And I'll meet y'all out there when I'm ready to grill. Okay, y'all, we got it on the grill. We're going to let it go for about 15-20 minutes. And of course, I'm going to open up the sear spot for the last 2 minutes. But this is all you're going to do. Remember that this thing hangs out, so you might lose a little temperature, but it'll be okay. But as you can see here, it's wrapped. It's starting to grill now. We're just going to let it go for about 15-20 minutes. Remember, temperature that we want to reach is 145. Okay, guys, I'm back. Total cook time was about 25 minutes because of the separation between the gasket lid. But I'm going to show you what I got. It doesn't look pretty, but I guarantee you it's amazing. Nice cooked snapper, whole snapper. I'm going to go ahead and dig into this, get a little piece of the top part here. As you can see, it's very flaky. Get a little bit of that chili samba with it. Woo! That is a lot of spice. Very good. That spice is very strong. It reminds me a little bit of sriracha with a little bit of vinegar. But the fish is excellent. That is amazing. Now, if you want a little bit of char with, like I said, sometimes you can get a little char on your fish. Since this was wrapped in banana leaf, you won't get that char, but there's other contraptions like this, including this fish contraption for cooking on the grill, that will give you a char if that's what you want without the banana leaf. And you can actually cook this without the banana leaf, but this is really good. Not too fishy, very spicy. I can eat this all day. I'm a huge fan of seafood. And when I saw this on Facebook video, if any of y'all know who the Food Ranger is, he actually went to Indonesia and had this, and I was like, I wonder if I can actually do this on the pellet grill. But this is awesome. I've cooked a lot. I've cooked a lot of fish before. This is really good. But that's about it. I just want to do a simple video, quick video, especially since Lent is about to be over. If y'all haven't tried anything, this is something you could. But I also have products that are coming in for giveaways, and they're all on back order. I don't know how it happened. They told me it would be coming to actually yesterday, and I got a message saying it was on back order. And I'm sorry about that. I will have giveaways soon. Trust me. I'm trying. And I've been so busy that I haven't actually came up with any other videos, and a lot of stuff has actually been out of stock. It is also the start of the grilling season. I believe it's 71 here in Kentucky right now. And I have been very busy with different orders and people wanting me to do different things. But this here is just a short video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Like I said, all this stuff you can actually find at a Vietnamese or Korean grocery market. And it's very cheap. I think for this size fish was only about $7. And they actually scaled it and gutted it for me. So I didn't even have to do anything. Chili samba is about $2. You can find all this at your local Vietnamese food market. But this is really good. I can't stop eating it. The spiciness is really what's getting me. And the fish is so flaky. Along with the onions that I thought wouldn't actually be soggy or kind of close to caramelization. I said that right, finally. But this is awesome. But I'm not going to hold y'all up. I'm going to finish eating this fish. It is actually excellent. But this is Big Black from Big Black Barbecue. and it's time to eat.